Ready to race. 1,000 meters is the distance. Away they go. Domecq. Final impact from the outside. I Will Survive. Dragon May, Ideal View, and by Filipino. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Final impact. Domecq. By the rallies, Dragon May, Ideal View, I Will Survive, and by Filipino. Rounding the far turn, final impact by Sam Tulengs, followed now by Dragon May down on the inside, Domecq and Ideal View as they race the final corner. Final impact by about Tulengs, Dragon May down on the inside, and on the farther outside, Domecq, Ideal View. Final impact by about Tulengs, Dragon May down on the inside, Domecq and Ideal View. Entering the finish line, number 4A, final impact. Dragon May, Ideal View, Domecq, I Will Survive, and by Filipino.